Students, today I am going to teach you the topic called vital statistics. So friends, vital statistics are the numerical records, analysis and interpretation of numerical data of vital events. Look at here. So, vital statistics are numerical records and it is an analysis and interpretation of numerical data of vital events. Vital events means the events which are occurring in human life, like birth, death, sickness, marriage, divorce, migration, etc. So friends, vital statistics deals with numerical data of vital events. So here in this branch of statistics, we study how to analyze the numerical data which is related to vital events, as well as we study in detail how to analyze it and what is the interpretation. So friends, if you take an example of COVID-19, so vital statistics data, in the sense what? Number of deaths because of COVID-19 and death among old age people, young age people, right, and even male and female, region wise deaths. Okay. So, this information will be collected systematically, that is called vital statistics information. That information will be used for analysis and interpretation. So friends, vital statistics generally used in all the sector, in all the fields. Okay. So vital statistics are the numerical records which includes also analysis and interpretation of numerical data of vital events occurring in human population. So friends, I hope all of you understood what you mean by vital statistics. Next one, according to the Benjamin is a scientist. So he defined the term vital statistics. So vital statistics, according to him, vital statistics are conventionally numerical records, okay, conventionally numerical records of marriages. Okay, it means how many marriages are taking place. So even we can study geographical wise in South India how many marriages are taking place in a day, okay, and in North India how many marriages are taking place. So in this way, how many marriages will take place, birth, okay, how many birth are taking place, right, sickness, right, as I told you, because of COVID-19 how many people are getting admitted in the hospital. Okay, so this is also vital statistical information. Okay, and death. Okay, death, is it a natural death or is it accidental death or is it because of COVID-19 death? So we collect information about the death of a people also, by which, okay, by which the health and growth of a community, okay, the health and the growth of a community may be studied. So friends, so this vital statistics majorly, or you can say whole concentrated on the events which are occurring in human population, and with the help of this study we will come to know that the health conditions and the growth of community, okay, the health conditions of the region people as well as the growth of the community people. So there may be 1 or 2 marks questions in your examination. Define the term vital statistics, then you should write according to Benjamin the definitions. And or it may be one more question, what do you mean by vital statistics? Then you should write the meaning vital statistics. Now next one is, what are the methods of collection of vital statistics information? Look at here, the methods of obtaining vital statistics, how we should get the information. The first one is registration method, okay. Second one, census enumeration method. So come to the first one, registration method. What stands for registration method? So let us take an example. In a city, if 100 children born, okay, if 100 children born, so then how you will come to know that in this city 100 children born means, so we ask the parents, okay, to get it registered. In the sense what? So in the hospital, after the delivery, the hospital authority will ask the parents to get the birth certificate, okay. So the local municipal corporation will issue the birth certificates based upon the medical records of the hospitals. So here registration method, in this case birth of every newborn baby will be registered, okay, in your school and even your college, and in the appointment of any selection of the even government job also, they will ask your birth certificate to confirm your date of birth, right. So this is called registration method, and in case of even marriages also, marriages will be registered. In case of death also, death will be registered in the competent authority. This is called registration method. And second method of collecting vital statistics information is census enumeration method. So what stands for census enumeration method means, here we conduct census. Census means survey, okay. So I think you might have been observed. So even census department official will visit each and every house, or pratyondu manegu visit ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So they collect the information of your family and they will record it. So that it is called census method ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. So in this way we collect the information relating to human beings, or we collect the information about the vital events occurring in human population. How many people are there, okay, death ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು, birth ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ, right, what is their income level. So they collect many more information, that is called census method. So we conduct census once in 10 years. So in this way also we gather or we collect the vital statistics information. So friends, there are two popular methods of collection of vital statistics are, the first one registration method, second one census enumeration method. So friends, so today I discussed with you the meaning of vital statistics and the definition of vital statistics and the method of collection of vital statistics informations. I hope all of you understood what you mean by vital statistics and what is the definition and methods of obtaining vital statistics informations.